What have you found? What are some of the biggest challenges that companies face when they're developing a growth strategy?
Well, the biggest challenge we find that companies face is that they're very inside out instead of outside in. It's all, so they start talking about their sales process, right? They're right there and then. That's the moment they're talking about their sales process. If that's not aligned to the customer journey, then it's it's going to be a miss. I mean, I don't know if you see that when you do work in the ABM
Sure.
side. That yeah, okay. They start thinking about what they need to do in marketing and what they need to do in sales, but they haven't really synced those things together. And not only are they not aligned with each other, again, they're not aligned with the customer buying journey. So that's one of the key things we're going to talk, I hope, about in the workshop and give the participants a chance to think through. I mean, it's only a 2-hour workshop, so there's only so much we're going to all be able to accomplish together. But if we can help people have a moment to step back and be thoughtful and give some considerations before they move into the do mode, but then I think we'll have done a really great job with this workshop.